Honda Gold Wing Trike has long been a symbol of luxury touring, and the 2025 model takes that legacy a step further. With a lineage that spans 5 decades, this latest iteration celebrates Honda's dedication to innovation and rider-centric design. Every inch of this trike is engineered to offer a premium experience, both for the rider and passenger. From the moment you sit on it, the Gold Wing Trike exudes confidence, comfort, and a sense of commanding presence on the road. One of the most striking elements of the 2025 Gold Wing Trike is its unmistakable design. The front end retains the aggressive styling of the standard Gold Wing with its sharp lines and wide fairings, but the rear now incorporates a stable and robust trike conversion that offers a distinct look. This three-wheeled format not only adds stability but also makes it an ideal choice for riders seeking more confidence on longer journeys or those with mobility concerns. The bodywork is a blend of functionality and aesthetics. Aerodynamics play a significant role in the trike's performance, and Honda has sculpted the frame and fairings to minimize wind resistance while maintaining cooling efficiency for the engine. The LED lighting system, including the headlight cluster and taillights, is bright, modern, and enhances both visibility and safety, especially during night rides or inclement weather. Seating comfort is a hallmark of the Gold Wing series, and the 2025 Trike variant is no different. The seats are wider, more cushioned, and ergonomically designed to support both rider and passenger during long-haul trips. Heated seat functionality extends comfort during colder weather, and the passenger backrest is more upright and supportive than in previous models. The rider's seat is positioned to provide excellent visibility of the road while keeping controls within easy reach. Under the hood, or rather beneath the body panels, is the same legendary 1833cc flat-six engine that has powered previous Gold Wing models. This engine is known for its reliability and smooth power delivery. Its flat configuration keeps the center of gravity low, improving balance and maneuverability even with the trike setup. The throttle response is crisp, and the power band is broad, allowing effortless cruising even at highway speeds. For those who choose the 7-speed DCT version, shifting is seamless and requires minimal rider input. This is especially useful in traffic or during long rides when fatigue might set in. The DCT also features a walking mode that allows the trike to move slowly forward or backward at the push of a button, simplifying parking and tight maneuvering. The suspension system has been specially tuned for the trike. At the front, the double wishbone system absorbs road imperfections with remarkable efficiency. At the rear, the Pro-Link setup combined with the wide trike axle ensures the vehicle remains planted even on bumpy or winding roads. This makes the Gold Wing Trike feel more like a luxury car than a motorcycle in terms of ride quality. Handling is intuitive, and the trike feels more stable than its two-wheeled sibling, especially during slow-speed maneuvers or when stopping. The wider rear end adds to the road grip, and while it may feel slightly more cumbersome on very tight curves, it more than makes up for it with added stability and comfort. Braking is solid and confidence-inspiring thanks to the combined ABS system that distributes braking force between the front and rear wheels automatically. One of the big questions for performance-focused riders is top speed and acceleration. The 2025 Gold Wing Trike is electronically limited to around 112 miles per hour, which is more than adequate for most touring scenarios. In terms of acceleration, the trike can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.2 seconds, which is impressive given its size and weight. This level of performance makes highway merging and overtaking smooth and stress-free. Fuel efficiency remains consistent with the standard Gold Wing despite the added weight of the trike configuration. Honda's engine management systems and aerodynamic design help maintain fuel economy. Riders can expect to get between 35 to 40 miles per gallon, depending on load and riding conditions. The 5.5-gallon fuel tank provides a range of approximately 200 miles, making it ideal for long-distance rides with fewer fuel stops. Another notable aspect is the infotainment and control system. The 7-inch TFT display is crisp, customizable, and easy to navigate. It offers real-time information on navigation, audio, ride modes, and vehicle status. Integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures that riders can access their music, calls, and maps without fumbling for their smartphones. Voice controls and handlebar-mounted switches add to the convenience and safety of using the system on the move. The trike is also equipped with cruise control, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. These features enhance rider safety and reduce fatigue during long rides. The windscreen is electrically adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune airflow based on speed and weather. Side wind deflectors and large mirrors contribute to a more relaxed and secure riding experience. Storage is where the Gold Wing Trike truly shines. With over 120 liters of combined storage between the saddlebags and the rear trunk, riders have ample room for gear, luggage, or even grocery runs. The storage compartments are weather-sealed, lockable, and conveniently accessible, making the Trike a practical choice for both touring and everyday use. Charging and power options are also well thought out. Although the Gold Wing Trike is powered by an internal combustion engine and not electric, it does offer USB charging ports and a 12V outlet to keep devices charged on the go. The onboard battery is supported by a powerful alternator, ensuring consistent electrical performance for accessories and systems. Finally, Honda has priced the 2025 Gold Wing Trike competitively given the features and engineering involved. With a base price starting around $25,000 and going up to $33,500 for the fully loaded Tour Airbag DCT Anniversary Edition, it positions itself well in the luxury touring segment. For what you get in terms of performance, comfort, and technology, it offers excellent value. The 2025 Gold Wing Trike is expected to be released in March 2025, with availability varying slightly depending on the region. Dealers are already taking early interest requests, and many riders are eagerly awaiting this model. It's clear that Honda has gone the extra mile to make this trike not just a mode of transportation, but a lifestyle statement. Whether you're a veteran tourer or looking to step into the world of three-wheeled travel, the 2025 Gold Wing Trike offers one of the most compelling packages on the road today.